Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of the back wall here now. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get in here, mark a line off on the bottom here, out about 1.5 inches to the thickness of the back wall, and lay a good line of PL down there. Then I'll go ahead and lift the wall up into place. And like I said, I got the screw holes made with the Kreg jig, and I'm going to go ahead and use the L brackets as well, and then everything else will get tied together with the sides and the roof and so on. So what I'm going to do is get in here, grab my measuring tape, my pencil, and just lay a couple lines down right quick. Kind of give me a guideline where to spread my caulking out at, and then I'll go from there. Okay. Line in here. Connect that line with this. Get it as straight as I can. That'll do. Almost got one fucking thing in the eye there. Alright. That'll do. Grab back to the caulking. Go ahead and lay a good bead here. We're going to be squishing her down into place with the screws that I put into it with the Kreg jig, and we'll also be using them L brackets, like I said. Okay, almost done here, about halfway. This is probably going to leave a little bit of a mess, but that's alright. Now, if it makes a good, nice, tight seal, I can clean it up afterwards and deal with it then, just like the spray foam. Still got to do it, but I'm just giving her a couple more days to harden up. Sometimes, even though it says it takes 24 hours to cure, when you're dealing with it nice and thick like that, from experiences of the past, I used to put in windows. If you cut into it too early, sometimes in the thick chunks, it's still nice and liquid inside. So I'm just gonna leave it for now, and there's no need to mess with it, and I'll deal with it at the end. So I got my spray, I got my PL 3 times on there. So now I'm gonna go ahead, get this here sidewall drug up into place. And lift it up into place, and then we'll go from there. It's heavy. Alright. This thing goes in a certain way. It's got to come over, bend down, and then go. Lift it up in, which I'm not even sure if I can fucking do. Oh fuck. I got 2 herniated discs, so I'm not just fucking weak. Oh, ow, fuck, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. Alright, let me look here. Oh, fuck. Alright, well, that's not going as planned. Oh fuck. That's fucking a little bit heavier than what I expected. Fuck. Well, that's not gonna work. So, fucking Jesus, let's give her, up here, use something like that to fucking help pry or something, pry it up. Let's see. Get it up. There we go. I don't know if you can see, I got a board in here that I got it up on. So I'm going to attempt to use that thing for leverage for me. Let's see if I can get her up here in the place. We're halfway. Now we gotta get up on one more fucking thing here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we gotta get back on top of that PL. Just like that. Same thing here. There you go. She's sliding on that PL. Okay. Now hold this one here on flush to the back here. Go ahead and get a screw in it. Screw in this side. Let that push back there even with that. Okay. See if we can get this sucked in a bit more. Okay. Jam a couple more screws in there and then that'll be in. Holy fuck, that wasn't easy, I'll tell you that one. I'll tell you that much right now. That is a pass and a fucking half. Oh wait. That's in there good. Good. Alright. Now I also got a couple these L brackets. I'm just gonna stick probably one there, one there, one there, and one there. We'll stick a couple of them on there just to help as well. And then that'll be that. Up a little bit higher so when I put them in down the bottom here it kind of helps it pull it down some as well. Just an extra little bit of strength there. That one. Do the same thing with the rest of them. And I'll show you what we're working with here for what we got done and what our plan is next. More screws. So what I'm going to do here, go ahead and pop this here out. Just go ahead and show you what's going on here. So we got the floor where we spray foam there. Now we got the back wall in. The back wall comes right up, just almost here to the top. We got this weird rounded angle here. It cuts right down to nothing. So I went up as high as I could go with the wall here on the side. So what the next plan is rather than just coming up and getting an extra little 2 inches height here, and I just come down right from here to the top of this with a 45, close that section there off, and then the sides, I'll have that angle. The sides will come up and go right to the roof up here, and we're putting one more sheet in on the roof. Roof will be 3 inches thick, floor will be about 2.5, back wall will be 1.5 inches, sides will be actually 1.5 inches each, the sides, and the baffles will be 4 layers, so a little over 2 inches or so. So that's the plan. Next step here, I'm gonna go get a couple more screws, finish that, and then boom, back wall's done. Thanks for watching.